Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department. Myself, Dr. M.T. Busher, presenting weekly weather discussion. In this presentation, I will be discussing about the past 1 week weather and the weather that we are expecting next 2 weeks. First, let's look into the significant weather observed during last 1 week. That is from 19th February to 25th February. The major system was the formation of a well-marked low pressure area. So, under the influence of an upper air circulation over equatorial Indian Ocean and adjoining southeast Bay of Bengal, a low pressure area is formed over the same region on 22nd February. Initially, it moved west-northwestward and laid as a well-marked low pressure area over the southwest Bay of Bengal. And further, it moved to northeastwards and weakened into a low pressure area over southwest and adjoining areas. This system caused heavy rainfall at isolated places over the Andaman Nicobar Islands on 19th February. So during the last 1 week, heavy rainfall was also recorded at isolated places over Kerala and Mahi on 22nd, 23rd and 25th February due to an upper air cyclonic circulation over Southeast Arabian Sea of South Kerala coast in lower tropospheric levels and the trough in the middle tropospheric levels. In the last 1 week, hailstorm activity is also reported at isolated places over Haryana, East Rajasthan, West Madhya Pradesh and Kerala Mahi on 19th February associated with the western disturbances over North Rajasthan and adjoining parts of the Punjab and Haryana. Another spell of the isolated hailstorm activity is also reported from Telangana on 23rd and 24th and from East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Vidarbha, Odisha on 24th February and Sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim on 25th February. So in the last 1 week, there is no significant fog spell reported. However, isolated dense to very dense fog prevailed over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Tripura and Odisha. If we talk about the maximum temperature was above normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over many parts of north, northwest and northeast India, above normal by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius over parts of west and central India, and nearly normal over remaining parts of the country during the 1 week. If we talk about the minimum temperature, it was above normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over most parts of the country during the 1 week. The lowest minimum temperature of 8 degrees Celsius has been recorded from the Batinda of Punjab on 22nd February and the highest maximum temperature of 37.8 degrees Celsius has been reported from the Erode on 23rd and 24th February. Now let's look into the weekly and seasonal rainfall at a subdivisional scale. During the last 1 week over Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Island, Kerala, Karnataka, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Vidarbha and Gujarat, East MP and East Rajasthan, the rainfall was above normal. If we talk about the weekly rainfall value country as a whole, it was 1.5 against the actual of 6.1 millimeter. It was 77% below normal. When we talk about the seasonal rainfall, that is from 1st January to 26th February, the major rainfall activity was confined only over the southern peninsular India, that is mainly over the Lakshadweep, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, where the rainfall was above normal. Country as a whole, the rainfall was 19.4 against the normal of 37. It was 58% below normal. Now let's look into the forecast during next 2 weeks. First, let's discuss about the rainfall activity. In the week 1, isolated to scattered light or moderate rainfall is likely to occur over Sub-Himalayan West Bengal, Sikkim on 27th and 28th February. This will be accompanied with lightning activity and gusty winds. And with thunderstorm and lightning activity over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and South Interior Karnataka, that is on 26th and 26th February, and likely to occur over Kerala, Mahi during 26th to 28th February. In next 1 week, we are expecting two western disturbances. One is from 26th February and another one is from 2nd March. Associated with this system, light to moderate rainfall or snowfall likely to occur over the western Himalayan region. Coming to the week 2 forecast, under the influence of a feeble western disturbances, light to moderate snowfall or rainfall at isolated to scattered places likely to occur over western Himalayan region during the some days of the week. Under the influence of the westerly trough, likely light rainfall or snowfall rainfall at isolated places also likely to occur over Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh during some days of the week. Overall, the rainfall is likely to be below normal over most part of the country. So coming to the forecast of the temperature, first let's discuss about the maximum temperature. During the week 1, a gradual rise in the maximum temperature by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius likely to occur over plains of northwest India during next 7 days. Hence, the maximum temperature are likely to be above normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over many parts of the northwest India during the week. A gradual rise in the maximum temperature by 3 to 4 degrees Celsius likely over Maharashtra during next 5 days, and no change thereafter. A fall in maximum temperature by 2 degrees Celsius likely over the Gujarat region during the next 3 days, and a gradual rise by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius during the subsequent 4 days. The maximum temperature, there may be a rise in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius likely over central India during next 7 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over East India during next 2 days, and a gradual rise by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius during subsequent 5 days. No significant change in maximum temperature likely over the rest parts of the country in the week 1. And if we talk about the week 2, the maximum temperature are likely to be above normal by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over most parts of the country except central and adjoining peninsular India, where they are likely to be near normal or slightly below normal by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius. Coming to the forecast of the minimum temperature, in the first let's discuss about the week 1. In the week 1, the minimum temperature is likely to be above normal in many parts of northwest India, Bihar, Gujarat state, some parts of the Madhya Pradesh, many parts of Maharashtra, South Karnataka, some parts of Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, southern parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh and northeast India. The minimum temperature is likely to be below normal in many parts of East India, many parts of Maharashtra and Kerala. In the week 2, the minimum temperature is likely to rise gradually by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius over most parts of the country. Minimum temperature are to be above normal by 1 to 2 degrees Celsius over most parts of the northwest and northeast India, and below normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over most parts of east, central and south peninsular India. Now let's discuss about the forecast of cyclogenesis during next 2 weeks. So considering the various large-scale environmental features, climatology and model guidances, it is inferred that there is no probability of cyclogenesis over North Indian Ocean during both the weeks, that is week 1 and week 2. IMD's forecast and warnings are available in IMD's social media platforms and different mobile apps which are available in the Android and iOS platforms. We request public to be updated with IMD's forecast and warning. We will come with tomorrow with the updated forecast and warning. Till then, namaskar.